Women who are trying to change their look are going to life-threatening extremes, all in an effort to get bigger and better curves. They're going to parties called booty boost parties. CBS 21's Kirk Clyde is live at the Dauphin County Mobile Newsroom in Harrisburg. And Kirk, you found something dangerous and horrifying that people will do just to get a new look.
Rob, this is one of those stories. It's even really hard for me to imagine. But in Philadelphia, some women who wanted to have a little booty boost, they were having silicone injected into their derriere by a woman named the Black Madam. And police are calling it pumping parties.
If you don't have a natural butt, then just go with what you have.
But sure, I can understand why some may want to have a little more here. But to put your life in the hands of just anyone?
I have a nice booty, so I don't need to pump anything up. I don't think that doesn't sound real safe.
It is anything but safe. Paige Winslow was arrested and charged with everything from aggravated assault to deceptive business practices.
If some things are cheaper than what other people are offering them, they're more than willing to do it. And they don't realize the consequences that it has against their body.
Boy, you can go to YouTube and watch physicians injecting these things, and they think, well, if I can change the oil in my car, I can watch a video or two.
People are not cars.
Having a non-professional inject it in a non-medical setting, you really put your life at risk.
A botched enhancement is alleged to have caused the death of at least one woman.
Large volumes of silicone get injected, and this is silicone that they literally go to the Napa hardware store and buy.
There is another way as well.
And what these people do is they take implants and they get the silicone gel and put it in a syringe, and then they inject it into people, and that's what it looks like.
If you want a better butt, you don't want silicone.
Buttocks implants that we have in the United States are solid.
How about improving your body with your own fat?
Fat injections, you liposuction fat from someplace else, and then you inject it into the butt, and that way you fill it up with their own fat.
So before you go anywhere to have fat taken out of your body or silicone put in, you make sure the person doing the procedure has one of these.
Why would someone risk their lives for vanity?
I think you're asking the wrong guy. You need to ask a psychiatrist.
Now, if you think an enhancement would help you, by all means, go for it. Check it out. For instance, Botox, it's FDA approved for men and women ages 18 to 65. But be sure that you are sure that you know who you're dealing with. And by the way, the doctors told me that now about 20% of their practice, it's men. Live with the Dauphin County Mobile Newsroom in Harrisburg, I'm Kirk Clyde, CBS 21 News.